Understanding programming loops.
Loops help computers repeat actions efficiently. Instead of writing code over and over, you use a loop to run it multiple times. The three most common types are for, while, and do-while loops. Each has its own strengths and best uses. Let's break them down and see how they differ, and where each one shines.
For loops, controlled repetition.
A for loop is best when you know exactly how many times you want the loop to run. It has a clear starting point, an end condition, and a step for each round. For example, you can use a for loop to print numbers from 1 to 10. It's neat, predictable, and great for counting or working through lists.
While loops, repeat until done.
While loops repeat as long as a condition is true. They're perfect when you don't know before you start how many times you'll need to run the loop. For example, you might keep asking a user for input until they give a valid answer. The code inside keeps going until the rule is broken.
Do while loops at least once.
A do-while loop always runs the loop body at least once, no matter what. After each run, it checks the condition to see if it should continue. This is useful when you need to guarantee the loop happens at least once, like displaying a menu before asking if the user wants to quit.
Comparing the loop types.
Here's a quick guide. Use a for loop when repeating a set number of times, a while loop when you repeat until a condition changes, and a do-while loop when you must run the code at least once. Choosing the right loop makes your code simple, readable, and efficient.
Choosing the right loop for your code.
Selecting the correct loop depends on what your program needs. For loops work well for counting or iterating over arrays. While loops are better for open-ended repetition, like waiting for user input. Do-while loops ensure something happens at least once, no matter what. Mastering these basics helps you write better, clearer programs.